Hello there, children. Let's play Spot the Difference. Can you see what's missing in this picture? The cake. The cake is missing. Maybe Sam ate it. What about here? What's the difference here? Can you see? Very good, that's right, the lion. The lion's not here. What about here? Can you spot the difference? That's right, very good. The goat's gone. That was great. It was very good fun to play with you. See you next time. Hello, children. Let's play Spot the Difference with Sam. Can you help me? Okay, what's the difference here? Has something disappeared? Very good, you got it. Sam disappeared. Maybe he went for a swim. Okay, help me here. I don't know what's disappeared. Can you see what's gone? Absolutely, it's magic. Sam made his magic wand disappear. And what about here? I need your help. Can you help me find out what's different? The bee. The bee went away. He didn't want Sam to catch him. Such fun playing with you. I'll see you next time. Hello there. Let's play Spot the Difference. I'd like you to help me. Can you spot the difference in this picture? Very good. The elephant. The elephant's not in the photo. Can you spot the difference here? What's happened to the picture? That's right, the mirror. The mirror's gone. Poor Sam. What about here? Can you spot the difference? What's happened? Excellent. The tennis racket. Poor Sam can't hit the ball. We had fun. Good to play with you. See you next time.